Is this the greatest troll in the history of football? Because what happened at Anfield during Liverpool's title celebration left fans speechless. Liverpool had just clinched their 20th Premier League title after beating Tottenham. Anfield was ready for a night of red smoke, flares, and full-blown celebration. But one Everton fan had other plans. He bought 10,000 blue smoke flares, covered them with fake red labels, and sold them to Liverpool fans ahead of the game. So when the full-time whistle blew and the flares went up, Anfield turned blue. The smoke was pouring out across the stadium, not in Liverpool red, but in Everton blue. Fans were stunned. Cameras couldn't hide the awkwardness. And somewhere in the city, that Everton fan, probably laughing so hard he couldn't breathe. This wasn't just a prank. This was an all-time humiliation Liverpool fans will never live down. And the best part? Liverpool fans paid for their own embarrassment. So I'm asking, is this the greatest football troll of all time, or have you seen better? Drop your answer in the comments, and tag a mate who would have fallen for this too.